So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to create poll in Facebook story. After you open your Facebook like this, tap on this create story button. So from this option, now go and select the video or the picture that you want to add to your story. I'll go with this one. After you select what you want to add to your story, now tap on this sticker button at the top. After you tap on the sticker, now tap on this poll button. So after you select the poll like this now, so now you can go ahead now and add your question. Let's say I want to ask me about my age, my life. So you can just go ahead now and type in like 2012, and here you can add like 20. So after that, you just created your poll. So you can tap on this done button. So from there now, anyone now who opens up now your story will be able now to choose any one of this. Ask me about my life. So you can just choose either 12 or 20. So from there, you'll be able now to see how many people that guess about your age. And that's it, guys. Now you can tap on this share button and you can be able now to resize it. You can place it anywhere you want to place it. Like as you can see now, you can just place it anywhere you want to place it, like at the top or at the bottom, or you can resize the size of the pool as well, like this as you can see now. After that, just tap on this share button. From there, it will be shared on your Facebook story. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.